Hello guys, welcome back to the Twitter Friends. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at this equation. We are having 4 log base 128 exponent 20 x exponent 56 and it's equal to 8. Okay, now in algebra, we have a log base b exponent x k, okay, the same as a multiplied by 1 on x log base b k, like this. So we are going to apply this. So our equation now becomes 4 multiplied by 1 on 20 log 128, then our x exponent 56, which is equal to 8. And then 4 multiplied by 1 on 20, 4 goes into itself 1, it goes into 25 times. So we are going to get 1 on 5, okay, log then log x exponent 56 base 128 is equal to 8. And now algebra, in algebra, log a log b is the same as log b exponent a, like this. Okay, so we are going to apply this here to our equation. So now our equation now becomes log 128, okay, to bracket x exponent 56 exponent 1 on 5, which is equal to 8. Okay, so now we are going to apply this algebra rule, which is log base a, which is equal to x, and this one, this as b is equal to a exponent x. So we are going to use this rule here. So our equation becomes x exponent 56, okay, multiplied by 1 on 5 is equal to 128 exponent 8. Like this. Exponent 56 multiplied by 1 on 5 is going to be x exponent 56 on 5, which is equal to, now 128, okay, so 128 we can express it as 2 exponent 7. So we are going to get 2 exponent 7 into bracket exponent 8. Okay, so x exponent 56 on 5 is equal to, now 2 exponent 7 multiplied by exponent 8, it is. So we are going to get x exponent 56 on 5, which is equal to 2 exponent 56. So now we are going to multiply the exponent by the reciprocal of 56, which will be 5 on 56. Okay, so we are going to get x exponent 56 on 5 multiplying by 5 on 56, which is equal to 2 exponent 26 multiplied by, exponent 56 multiplied by 5 on 56. So with this, 5 cancel 5, 56 cancel 56. So we are going to get x, which is equal to, now this 56 cancel this, so it's going to be 2 exponent 5. Okay, so our x is equal to 2 exponent 5, you know that is 32. So our s is equal to 32. So our solution for this equation is x is equal to 32. So 32 is our final answer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Find this video useful. Bye.